The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you're having a good start and the middle of your day. What's going on in the markets? Well. We're starting to see some positivity coming in, and that's pretty cool, you know. Ripple, for example, the big dog, pumping pretty hard, seeing, a good, I think about 50 or 60% move in the last couple of days against the dollar. I talked about this. I'm not claiming that I called the move, not at all, not even close. I talked about the level that we came off of last year. I actually did a recent episode with Alex Saunders of Nuggets News, literally yesterday, talking about the positivity of this market space and how it has the ability to move insane amounts in really short periods of time, and that people should be a little more patient, because you know what? Everyone wants to get rich quick, and that's what this market can do, but you've got to make sure that you understand that it tends to happen, the moves tend to happen in a really short space of time. Ripple was the example that I gave. We went from 30 cents up to $3.30 in under a month. And just recently, that same 30 cents, we broke up through a point at which the trend changed. I was watching this for a breakout trade. Unfortunately, it didn't give me the third and final test with a higher low before I could actually raise the order, but it's popped, it's taken off, and Ripple is definitely dragging the market along with it. So that's really good to see some positivity out there. Yes, I know it's Ripple. Yes, I know the purists hate Ripple. I don't really care. At the end of the day, I'm taking the positives that I'm seeing and I'm happy with them. Right now, Ripple is the positive in the market right at this point in time. Bitcoin holding itself up. It has moved slightly higher. Again, a little bit of a spike candle. Actually, let me just have a look at the timing here, because we saw yesterday, what time was that? That was 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. this morning. Again, a bit of a whipsaw from 6,339 to, you're calling it a $200 move. No dramas with that. We've popped a little bit higher, and we are moving in the right direction, being up 1.3%. Across the top 10, we have seen a bit of green, all green as a matter of fact, nothing huge, I'm looking at Stellar right now. As I was watching again, waiting for a breakout, didn't get the breakout trade, it has pushed on, and I will be looking for opportunities to trade that to the upside now that that trend has reversed. We do have a great trade, or I do have a great trade on Lumen against Ethereum, which I'm pretty stoked about right now because it is killing it. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. I hope it keeps going. Of course, Ripple there against Ethereum also. A great pullback. I know you can't see the charts right now, guys. Go and have a look. Ripple against Ethereum on the 1 day. Put your 10 period and your 20 period moving averages in there and have a look at when it pulled back into the cradle zone. It pulled back in beautifully. Did exactly what we like to see here at tradercobb.com, giving an opportunity to enter. At least pulling back into that cradle zone, and away she went. We see very good moves across many of these pairs in the market, and I am having a good day right now. The reason I'm having a good day is because we've got some momentum. And the good thing is the momentum for the most part is to the upside. We haven't seen anything too positive for a couple of weeks. We're now starting to see some positivity coming back in. So guys, if you've missed out on the opportunity to do your learning, to get your head around things in the last few days because you were spending your time playing Fortnite, reading Facebook groups, scrolling through Twitter, or doing whatever you do in cyberspace, then I think it's time that you pull your finger out. Guys, it doesn't take long for this market to get moving. We see Bitcoin last year do a 3x in a month. We've seen Ripple basically double in the space of, basically 2 days, to be honest. We've gone from 28 cents to, we haven't doubled quite, but not too far off it. You know that these markets can move hard and fast. For traders out there, for those of you that have been listening to this show, that follow my content, that have done even my courses, you know it's been a pretty slow period the last week or two. Yep, it certainly has. There's no question about that. It has been a time to really exercise your patience and be aware that it's not a time to be taking high volumes of trades. It's a time to be patiently waiting for the next one, and we have done, and we've had a lot of Bitcoin breakouts, consolidations line up. We just haven't had a great deal of them create the perfect setup to trade. That's okay, because we got some momentum again today, some nice trends, and the one trade that I have got on, which is Lumen against Bitcoin, it's performing right now. I think we're going to start to see I think we're going to start to see more opportunities arise if we can see this positivity carry on, and it's nice to see on a Friday moving into the weekend. We'll be very interesting to see how we go. So guys, it's time for you to make your own decisions and take responsibility for your actions, okay? This could be the beginning. It may not be. We may go lower. There's a very real possibility of that. Whether we go higher or lower, you need to understand what options you have. And if you don't understand the options that you have, you need to get your head around that. You have two options. You can invest, hold, fine, move on. Do nothing. Don't spend your days in chat rooms. Don't spend your days looking at charts and prices. It will just simply do your head in. Or you can trade. That means you can make money in either direction. You know this. I say the same thing time and time again, just the same as I repeat the same strategies that I have for the last 12 years. It's because the same information is true, it works, it's real, and it's valuable, guys. Whether it's me or somebody else, I don't care. But you need to start to look at what options you have available, and now is the time to be learning those. Simply because we need to be learning when it's not going crazy, so we can learn how to control our emotions. We can learn the skill set that we require to profit well long term, not just on a short one or two pump, because each time we have a big pump in this market, it'll be one less time that we will have one in the future. The bigger the market gets, the less it will pump. So you need to be ready to take advantage in what could be a very, very small window of time like we saw last year. A big pump, real short period of time for investors. Many of you did not get out around those highs in December, January. You need to learn what to look for this time to get out. I'll say it time and time again, education is the most powerful and valuable thing you'll ever get involved with. So choose wisely and get it. Okay, just get one. Have a great day, guys. Get out there, grab a hold of it. It's Friday. We're coming into the weekend. So much to do. Some positivity out there. Have a good day and a great weekend. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast is hosted by Craig Cobb. All Trader Cobb courses, products, and tools can be found at tradercobb.com because experience matters.